Connect your phone to the Wi-Fi provided by the router your base station will link with. Go to Phone Settings to enable all the necessary permissions. Select WUUK Base Station. Power on the base station. Connect the base station to your router's LAN port. The light turns from red to solid green. Follow the on-screen instructions and press Continue all the way. Press and hold the sync button long enough until the light flashes red. Verify the Wi-Fi info. The base station is now connecting to the internet. Pairing successful. You can continue to add sub-devices. Select WUUK Wireless Cam Pro. Follow the instructions and press Continue. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds. You'll hear Hello WUUK.
Hello, WUUK.
Press the button for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. The wireless Cam Pro is now connecting to the base station. Pairing successful.